Welcome to Spotter. Today we discuss some common mistakes using the apps. Here, open the app. You have to put right username and password. If you put any wrong user ID or password, it's not login. You have to put the correct user ID and passwords and login. After login, you can see the vehicle list, and if you see any pop-up of this type, it's indicate the asset your vehicle is expire at this time. Here is remaining days. After this date you are not able to access your vehicle. Okay, next, like this. Next we are going to click any of the vehicle. Here green sign are indicated the vehicle as in running condition. The blue are indicated the vehicle is parked. Next we click the vehicles which are running. Here we click it. Here if you do not find any of the marks like this, it's you have to click on it and select your marker. If you find this type of blank area, you have to wait sometimes for coming the map. After that, if you click it, here you can see the live speed. You can change map views from clicking here like this, and the vehicle are movement starting from some previous times. Next we go to reports. Here is some common mistakes. If we enter the from date and the end date, end time not proper, it will not show any report like this. Here we put the end time on the field of starting time and the previous date on the end time. Here you can see no data like this. So if any of the situation occurs, you have to put the from time and end time in right way, in right time and date. Okay, like this. Also we can download the stop details reports from clicking here. Also you can download stop details report and others from here. Here is the apps are goes minimize, and a push message is lightning. Here is the speed message details. This vehicle are running on overspeed. If you do not give any date, you have to require giving dates. Just like this, from here you can download all the reports and share it anyway. It's also occurred on overspeed, and you can download run reports, ignition on off reports also from clicking here. Here is marker how to select marker.